What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Less Polished, where today I'm with Marcus, fellow trainer in the area. We were supposed to play pickleball, but we got rained out, so I made a call to Palace Bowl. Susie, the owner, was nice enough to let us come in, and she's housing Less Polished. So big thank you to Palace Bowl and Susie. And Marcus, when's the last time you went bowling?
Shout out Susie, first of all. Probably been at least 6 months, and before that, years.
Yeah. I was gonna say, you have, oh, actually no, it's probably like 6 months for me too.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a second, let's make this interesting.
All right.
All right, so we gotta have a first strike bet. Whoever gets the first strike doesn't have to do, we'll say 50 push-ups.
All right, deal. Sounds like a plan.
And then the winner, help Alex.
The winner gets the other one to come train at their gym.
Okay,
right.
yeah, that's good.
I like that, yeah.
So the winner gets to choose a whole entire workout for the other person at the opposer's gym. All right.
Mind
cool.
you guys, Steve told me
Shake
like about 10 minutes ago he bowled like a 212 when he was
no. That was when I was 12 years old.
Yeah. So he's only worse now, I'm sure.
All right, first throw. Nope. That was horrible. Horrible.
Get ready to learn
Gates wide
cardio,
open.
buddy.
Okay, here we go. Come back. No, I'm gonna find it.
Right,
I'm gonna find it today.
We're finding it.
All right, let's go.
Here we
Let's
go.
see if you can get the strike.
Nope.
Same thing. All right, it makes me feel a lot better.
There we go. Shouldn't have filmed
We're
the
not
first.
even gonna break 100 today.
No, absolutely not.
The whole point of pickleball was we were gonna be really, really bad at it.
Yes.
And I feel like the same concept's gonna happen right now.
I think we're hitting the nail on the head, honestly, so
All right.
far.
Oh, that looks pretty good. No. Oh!
Better? All right, we'll take it, we'll take it. First strike. Ooh, all right.
A little off. Come back!
Uh-oh.
Oh,
I thought you had
dude!
it. I thought you had it, man.
Whoa.
Ooh. Not quite, not quite.
Oh, that could be a spare.
There it is.
Oh!
We're doing like the same thing right now, both of us.
Can already feel it in my lat, my old age.
Oh. Any PTs want to pick this up afterwards?
Yeah. Come back.
Uh-oh. I thought that was
I gotta
coming back.
find that damn spin. Watch, we're gonna go the whole game and not throw a strike, and Alex is gonna do one frame
Yeah, exactly.
and throw a strike.
Oh,
That looked good.
someone check that pin. Someone check.
That
That's
looked
the
good.
one.
That thing's nailed down.
I swear.
Also, real quick, our guy Colton competing. Is it this weekend, right?
Yeah.
Colton competing this weekend, man. I had to rep you today. This shirt really shrank on me though. This shirt was like saggy and big on me, and I was committed anyway.
I
We're
like
wearing
that.
it
Hell
anyway.
yeah. Let's go, Colton.
Come on, Matt. Come on. Get it. Whoa!
That one looked a lot better, I thought.
Dial it in now. Well, that could be good. That's good. There it is.
All right, spares.
First spare.
Almost there. We're gonna
Nice.
get it.
That means I gotta step it up. That could be good. Oh, damn it.
Question, actually, just I'm glad we didn't get to this point. If you get a strike, I get a rebuttal, right? It's like same frame we're talking.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So, yeah, because I'm going first. So, if I get one, you do get to answer.
Let's
yes.
go. Let's go.
Get in there.
Hey.
Oh,
12-year-old Steve would be absolutely
dude, destroying me right now.
dominating us all.
Oh, that could be good. Son of a.
50. That's the easy one. That's not bad. We got time.
All right, straight 50 now, or I could break it up.
You could break it up. You could break
All
it
right.
up.
I might need to get away from the spin. I'll do one more try.
No, spin's still there.
Spin's still there. No, I gave the spin one more try.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
You did still. You damn. Got the goddamn.
Oh, he's going right into it.
First. I'm just gonna knock some out right now. I'll just do 10 at a time.
There it is.
Stay fresh.
10
Stay
at a
fresh
time.
for the game. Oh, that could be, no, off.
Just a little. Felt good. Felt right.
What do you like to do in your free time, man?
I like to just chill. You know, I'm not super like extroverted necessarily, so I spend a lot of time with my wife hanging out. Our favorite thing to do is just go for walks. We are those people who still play Pokemon Go. I don't know if you ever were into that. Yeah, we're still holding on the fort in that sense. So
You know, I stopped playing Pokemon when I watched Roger Manerick. I don't know if you still follow me or we're friends on Facebook, but he was like, this had to be 5th grade. This is when I stopped Pokemon. A full-on fist fight happened in like 4th or 5th grade over a holographic Charizard card. I remember it like it was yesterday. A bad trade happened, and this full-on fist fight. Like, and Roger's kind of a smaller dude, and this guy like bullied him, and I'm like, all right, maybe I shouldn't play Pokemon anymore. I'm not into it like these guys are.
yeah, right.
Like full-on fist fight in the elementary school like playground.
Hey, have you seen how much money some of those are worth nowadays? I think
I know.
adults would fight over that at this point, man.
Oh
Those
man,
are
if I kept my stuff.
tens of thousands of dollars, dude. Oh,
He's falling apart, dude.
yeah,
He's falling
officially
apart.
rattled. He got me thinking about Pokemon.
Give me that.
Spin. Oh, he's got the spin going now.
Come on, dude.
We're in trouble.
How did that not tag that one? Give me that, baby.
Hey, that's it. Uh-oh.
I'm finding it.
I'm fearing
I'm
for my,
finding it. This is going to be a close game.
I think so. You're making moves now. There we go. Back on.
A little off.
Little off. We'll take it though. Solid.
This is what the pros do, right? Dry the fingers.
It's one of those things I don't question, but it seems like it works, yeah.
It makes sense if you're here for like a long time, you start to get sweaty for sure.
Oh, yeah,
They
exactly.
need the chalk, dude. Where's the chalk?
Come on. Just miss.
Open frame. All right, I got to answer. Nope.
Don't come back. Oh, no.
Dang.
Ended up better than it looked.
Oh, that did end up way better than it looked. No open frames. Come on.
Uh-oh. We're in trouble.
Let's go, baby.
We're in trouble.
Let's go. Yeah, we got to ask how it works. I used to know back in 8th grade when they tested us on it, and now I don't remember.
You know the important stuff about physical education.
Yeah, the important stuff. Pressure's on.
Here we go.
No strike.
Whew. All right.
Brought the
I'll take
power
it.
there, though.
I
You brought the power on that one.
It's probably similar to my golf problems where I'm just trying to be aggressive and it doesn't always work out very well, you know? I'm glad we didn't end up golfing. That was also a thought. That would have made me look horrendous. Never in my life do I feel more athletic.
Open frame.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, man.
Uh-oh.
Come on, baby.
We're entering panic mode now.
I'm in your head now.
There it is. All right, I needed that.
Dang. One more inch to the right there. I feel like if I close this frame, it could seal the deal.
It might. It's going to be close. I'm going to need a big last
So I
couple
need-
frames if that's the case.
If I can close this frame. Let's go, baby.
Exactly what he needed
The
there.
12-year-old
Dang.
Steve is coming out to play.
We're in trouble.
12, that could have just sealed the deal right there. You need a strike.
And some help, probably. Nope, that's
Oh,
not
Marcus,
gonna get it done.
hey, do you like
okay.
sled pushes?
It's over. I
you-
love sled pushes. You know what? I'm really a big cardio guy. I love high intensity circuits.
you're a
all that
huge
stuff.
liar.
I would really be upset if you gave
You're
me just
not-
a
you're-
strength workout.
We're getting some distance running in on this workout too.
Oh, you didn't know I did cross country in high school? There we go. We can. We're not dead. We're in trouble. We're in trouble now.
Yeah, dude, that could be it.
I'm just hoping I get to triple digits because the last time I bowled, I don't think I broke 100, which was really emasculating.
No, too far left. Damn it. Come back, come back, come back. Oh!
You almost caught that
Almost
last one
caught that
again.
last one.
Man, I think he was hustling a little bit the first half of this.
Made you feel comfortable.
Exactly. And it worked. Oh, man.
All right, let's see the
all right.
pinpoint accuracy here.
Pick this up
You'll
here.
close this one. This is still, it's like
Anything can
It's still
happen
close
in
game.
the 10th frame. Anything can happen.
Nope.
Bounce back out. Come out. Oh, no. Last frame.
All right, so I need to totally blow it, and you need a strike, basically.
Exactly. I need to turkey this out here,
Yeah.
I think.
Come back.
Uh-oh. All right. Not dead yet.
All right, so I can still spare this, and then you get the last ball, right?
Yeah, I think so. You can use 3 if you close this.
What a sneaky little thing to throw in the game of bowling, like the pressure. Like, hey, if you close out the last one, you could still add one more strike.
Exactly.
Come on now. Oh no! Come on!
The door's cracked.
MT Performance, what has it done for this man?
That won't do it.
Oh man.
That won't do it.
Spare and strike, only chance.
That might be it though. Yeah, I might still have it. Some guy who's really into bowling might be watching this video right now pulling his hair out. He's
Oh
like,
my God.
You guys did not pay attention to your junior high gym tests here. Not it. Not it.
That's game right there.
Did I break 100 at least?
No.
We didn't.
96
Terrible.
for MT Performance. Good game,
Damn,
dude.
good game, man. Oh yeah, that's rough. That's brutal.
All right, Alex. Oh. Can you at least close the frame?
Potentially.
Close it.
There it is.
Close it. Ah. Let's go do unpolished.
Let's
Good
do
game.
it. Good game.
Like I said, I hope you like sleds.
I'm ready. I'm ready for
Hope
some
you like
sleds.
sled pushes.
I hope you like having vomit garbage cans ready.